I love my green lawn year-round. For the last few years, this horrible Bermuda grass has been appearing. Roundup kills it, but then it returns again. What will get Bermuda grass out of my lawn permanently? I do not like the look of spots that appear dead in winter and try to take over in spring. And this is from Miss Norma Jean. So when I looked, I saw, I love my green lawn year-round. I thought it was Booker's question at first. Yeah, we know Booker loves his grass, but anyway, this is Miss Norma Jean. So she wants to keep the Bermuda grass out of her lawn permanently, but she's already used Roundup. Oh boy.
But she wants the rest of her lawn to live.
But you want the rest of the lawn.
Because that rules out.
Green grass year-round.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
I would say timing might be an issue on the Bermuda grass.
Uh-huh.
And when it first starts to green up, if she sprays it with Roundup, maybe it will kill it. If she says it's killing it, but it comes back, it's not killing it. It's suppressing it.
Right.
And if she tries to get it just as it's beginning to green up, because that's when people accidentally kill Bermuda grass when they're not trying to kill it.
Right.
They're trying to get the winter weeds, and it's too late in the winter, and the Bermuda grass, even though they can't see it greening up, it's just beginning to green up, and then they can wipe it out.
Yep.
You know, Cefoxidem, you know, is another product that you could use, but you got to be careful with any of these because they may kill the desirable turf. I don't know what turf grass you have out there that you want, but any of them can hurt you.
Spot spraying is what she's going to have to do, spot spray it.
And she wants it green year-round, so she's got to be utilizing ryegrass or
fescue.
I don't know where she's
Fescue,
from.
fescue.
Yeah, we don't know. Yeah, fescue probably.
It could be
Yeah,
Kentucky
she could have been
bluegrass.
bluegrass. I mean, I don't know
Could
what stays green year-round,
All of
other
those.
than what's in our area here.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but timing is definitely going to be an issue.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, the glyphosate, Cefoxidem. There's a Fusilade too, which is also in grass be gone, which is fluazafop.
And it'll kill the other grass
Yeah,
too.
but you got to be careful, you know, when using it.
All right.
All right. So there you have it, Miss Norma Jean. You're going to have to be careful. Make sure you read the label, please,
Follow the label
before you make the application. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.